Hello everyone. Let's do chapter polynomials and exercise 2.5. Few questions of exercise 2.5 we have already done. Now today we will do some more questions of exercise 2.5. Learning objectives. After watching this video, you all will be able to write cubic expression in expanded form. You will also be able to evaluate cube of a number using cubic identities. You will also be able to use cubic identities in factorization. That is, you will be able to factorize a given expression using the cubic identity. Now let's learn about the cubic identities. First one is a plus b whole cube, which is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. If we open the bracket, if we multiply 3ab with a and 3ab with b, we will solve it further. We can simplify it further. So a plus b whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So whichever the way you want to use, if you want to write in this way, if you want to expand, if you want to simplify, or if you want to factorize the expression using the cubic identity, if you want to use this one, you can do that. If you want to use the simplified one, you can also do that. Now the next identity, a minus b whole cube. This is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Here again, if we open the bracket, we'll get the simplified one. So a minus b whole cube can also be written as a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So again, if you want to use this way, identity in this way, you can use that. If you want to use the identity in a simplified form one, you can do that. So both the identities are correct. The only difference is this one is the simplified one. Here we have opened the bracket. Now we will do the questions based on these two cubic identity. But first we will do the question which was based on a plus b plus c whole square. In last video, in last live class also, you have learned how to write a plus b plus c whole square type expression in expanded form. Today we will learn how to factorize them. So let's do that. So question number 5 of exercise 2.5 is factorize 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12xy minus 24yz minus 16xz. Now we have to factorize this. Now before factorizing, just see, can we take something common from all these terms? Here it is 4, this is 9, this is 16, 12, 24, 16. Since 9 is not an even number, so we cannot even take 2 common out of all these terms. So this is in the method where nothing can be taken common, right? Now let's move to the second step. First we will write 4x square in this way. Can we write it as this? 2x whole square, because the square of 2 is 4 and x square can be written as x whole square. So 4x square can be written as 2x square. Similarly, since 9 is a perfect square, we can write it as 3y whole square. In the same way, 16z square can be written as 4z whole square. Right, because 4 is a square of 2, 9 is a square of 3 and 16 is a square of 4. Right, now after this, see the expression again. There is a negative sign. Here we have negative sign, here we have negative sign. So we have two terms which have negative sign. अब जिन दो टर्म्स के पास नेगेटिव साइन है, आप उनमें देखो क्या कोई वेरिएबल दोनों में कॉमन है. अगर आप ध्यान से देखो, z इस वाली टर्म में भी है, z नेक्स्ट टर्म में भी है. सो इट मीन्स Z is common in both the terms. So we can say Z is making both these terms negative. So what we will do, we will write negative sign here. Why we are writing minus 4z square? Because in the expression we have two terms which are negative. After seeing this, we'll observe which variable is common in both the terms. So if you'll closely observe, you'll see z is common in both the terms. So it means z is making them negative. So now let's use the identity a plus b plus c whole square. So this can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. We will use this identity. So let's again compare. In place of a it is 2x, and in place of b it is 3y, and in place of c we have 4z. Right? If you compare, you can write in rough work. In place of a we will write 2x, in place of b we will write 3y, and in place of c it is minus 4z. Right? So we have a square, this is plus b square plus c square. Now we will write it in this way, plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca. So plus 2ab, a, b, right? Keep this in your mind. Then plus 2ca, c we have, 2ab, then 2bc. So 3y into minus 4z plus 2ca, that is minus 4z multiplied by 2x. Right? This is our rough work. So now you have to do some mental work. अब थोड़ा सा भी अगर आप mentally देखो, if we multiply these three, 3y into 2x is 6xy, 6x into 2y into 2 is 12xy. We have this 12xy. Now see this, if we multiply these three, 4 3s are 12, 12 2s are 24. So minus 24, because there is a negative sign, minus 24yz, we have minus 24yz. And lastly, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8. Minus 8 into 2 is minus 16. So minus 16 zx. We have minus 16 zx. So it means these three terms are perfectly correct. If you don't get on multiplying these, it means you have written first three terms not correct. So you have to write, you have to check this, whether on multiplying you are getting the term which is given in the question. Right? Now compare this. This is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ca can be written as a plus b plus c. C की जगह we will write minus 4z. Right? So a plus b plus c whole square, we will write this twice because the exponent is 2. So we will write it this. Right? This is your rough work. You want to write the identity, you can write. This is also your rough work. If you want to write this, it's fine. If you want to keep this in your mind, it's again correct. So I have explained each and everything. Now you can try to do the next part yourself. After this, we will do question number 6. Question number 6 is based on the cubic identity, which we have just learned, a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. Question number 6, write the following cubes in expanded form. Expanded form, that is, we have to apply the identity. If you see the first part is 2x plus 1 whole cube. Right? There are two terms, there is a positive sign in between and there is a cube. So we will use the identity a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. If you want to use this way, you can use, or you can use the simplified one, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square like I just explained, if you want to use the bracket 1 identity, you can use, or if you want to use the simplified identity, you can use that. So now I'll be using this simplified one. Now if you compare this with this identity, on comparing you can easily see in place of A we have 2x and in place of B we have 1. So 2x plus 1 whole cube can be written as a cube plus b cube plus b cube plus 3a square b, a square into b plus 3a into b square. So this is equals to 8x cube, because cube of 2 is 8, plus 1 plus 3, 2x whole square can be written as 4x square, this is 1, plus 3 into 2x is 6x, square of 1 is 1, so can be written as 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6x. Right, this is the, I'll suggest always write identity, so you must write, otherwise you can write it the way I'll be doing the second part. I hope the first part is clear. Just remember, do the comparison and see what is the value of a, like this is a plus b whole cube, right? So we can easily compare, in place of a we have 2x and in place of b we have 1 and plus sign is same, so that is we are using a plus b whole cube. Now let's do the second part. Second part is 2a minus 3b whole cube. Now there is a cube, so it means cubic identity we have to apply. There is a negative sign, it means we will be using the a minus b whole cube identity. So a minus b whole cube identity, if you want, you can write it like this. A minus b whole cube is equal to, let's write identity, a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let's do the comparison. In place of a we have to write 2a and in place of b we have to write 3b, right? So wherever there is a we will write 2a, so it will be 2a whole cube minus 3b whole cube minus 3a square, so that is 2a whole square, b is 3b plus 3a, a is 2a, b square, that is 3b whole square, right? If we had compared, so in place of a we are writing 2a and in place of b we are writing 3b. आप थोड़ा सा भी कंपेयर करते देखते जाओ, a की जगह हमने 2a लिखा, b की जगह 3b लिखा, a की जगह 2a लिखा, b की जगह 3b, a की जगह 2a and in place of b we have written 3b. So this is the way we have completed the identity. Now we'll simplify it because the question is expand. Cube of 2 is 8, so it can be written as 8a cube minus cube of 3 is 27, 27b cube minus 3, 2a whole square can be written as 4a square and this 3b as it is plus 3, this 2a as it is, and it will be 3b whole square means 9b square. So let's remove the bracket further. So this is 8a cube minus 27b cube minus, now let's multiply these three. 3 4s are 12, 12 3s are 36, so minus 36 a square b plus 9 2s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 54a b square. So this is the way we have expanded 2a minus 3b whole cube by using the cubic identity. Right? Now let's move to next question. Question number 7 is evaluate. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Remember, in this exercise you must have done this type of question, like for example 99 square we have to evaluate, or in 8th standard also you have done that. So in place of 99, since 99 is close to 100, we used to write 100 minus 1 whole square, because 100 minus 1 is 99 and it is exponent 2, so we have written 2. And then we had applied the identity a minus b whole square. Now the only difference here is we have the cube as exponent, so we will be applying cubic identity. So let me erase this, then we will do this question. So since 99 is very close to 100, so what we will do, we will write 99 whole cube as 100 minus 1 whole cube, right? Now there's a negative sign and exponent is 3, so we will be applying the identity a minus b whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square, right? So 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. So in place of a we have 100, so let's write it inside, and in place of b we have 1. So this is your rough work. If you want to write it, you can write. If you want to keep this in your mind, again it's fine. So जहाँ पर a है हम वहाँ पर 100 लिखेंगे, माइनस की जगह माइनस, जहाँ b है वहाँ पर 1 minus 3 a square, that is 100 square, b is 1 plus 3 a is 100 and b is 1, right? Now what is cube of 100? Cube of 100 is 2, 4 and this. There will be 6 zeros, right? So we have 10 lakh, right? This is, we have this minus 1 cube, that is minus 1, minus 3 square of 100 is 10,000 into 1 plus 3 into 100 square of 1 is 1. Let's remove the bracket. Minus 1 minus 30,000 plus 300, right? So now what we have to do, we have to simplify this, right? So I am adding plus terms together and minus terms together, because these are same sign, so we have to add. Now both these have opposite signs, so in rough work I'll be subtracting these. In minus करना है हमने 1 0 0 0 3. So let's subtract. 10 minus 1 9. So we have 970,299. So that is, we have simplified it by using the identity a minus b whole cube. Since in the question they have written evaluate using suitable identity, that is why we have written 99 whole cube as 100 minus 1. Instead of writing 99 3 times, instead of writing 99 into 99 and whatever the answer we get, again on multiplying by 99 we will get the same answer, but in the question they have written using suitable identity, so that is why we have written 99 as 100 minus 1. Why 100 minus 1? Because 99 is very close to 100. So this is the way we have calculated, we have evaluated 99 cube. Now let's move to next question. Now question number 8 is factorize. Factorize each of the following. So I have picked up 2 parts only. So first 2 parts we will do today. This is first part is 8a cube. You can see the cube term, you can see this cube term. So in the whole expression we have 2 terms with cube and all the signs are positive. So it means here the identity applied is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now this is equals to a plus b whole cube. When we in the question, if it is written expand, we write it this way. We write it in expanded. If the question is factorized, we write it this way. Right? Now, this is 8a cube. 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube because 8 is cube of 2. Similarly, b cube means b whole cube. Now, there is no need to see the question now. आपको ये सारा कुछ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. अब आप आइडेंटिटी कंप्लीट करो. अब बेशक रफ में देखो, a की जगह तो हमने लिख दिया 2a और b की जगह हमने लिखना है b. Now we have a cube plus b cube plus 3a square. 3a square into b plus 3ab square. हमने अपनी तरफ से आइडेंटिटी कंप्लीट कर दी. अब हमने ये देखना है कि जो भी हमने लिखा है वो गलत लिखा है या सही लिखा. इसके लिए आपने क्या करना है, आप इन सबको मेंटली मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. 3 2a whole square b. Now 2a whole square means 4a square into b. If you multiply, you get 12a square b. We have 12a square b. So it means we have written it correctly. Now let's write this one. 3 2a plus b whole square. Let's multiply these in rough work. आप इसको मेंटली कर सकते हो, अभी सिर्फ मैं समझाने के लिए रफ में लिख रही हूँ. Right? So if we multiply these three, we get 6ab square. We have 6ab square in the question. It means हमने 2a whole cube भी ठीक लिखा है, हमने b whole cube भी ठीक लिखा है. Now a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a plus b whole cube. Now since exponent is 3, so we will write it 3 times. So 2a plus b, again 2a plus b, and again 2a plus b. Right? So this is the way we have factorized. Now let's do the next part. Second part is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Right? Now there are two terms with negative with the cube on this, and we have two terms with negative sign. It means here the identity applied will be a minus b whole cube. So what I'll do, I'll write the identity here. A cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now I know that this is equals to a minus b whole cube. Okay, so 8 is cube of 2. So 8a cube can be written as 2a whole cube minus b is cube of b cube is cube of b. So I have written it as b whole cube. If we compare the identity with this, in place of a we have written 2a, and in place of b we have written b only. So the identity which I have written in blue color, यहाँ पर जहाँ जहाँ a है वहाँ पर हम 2a लिखेंगे और b की जगह b ही रहने देंगे. On comparing we have observed this, right? So minus 3a square, a की जगह 2a आ गया, 2a whole square into b plus 3a into b square. राइट? हमने ये सारी वैल्यूज डाली हैं, ये सारी जो आइडेंटिटी मैंने ब्लू कलर में लिखी थी. अब हम देखते हैं रफ वर्क में मल्टीप्लाई करके कि इनको मल्टीप्लाई करके आर वी गेटिंग दिस, इन सबको मल्टीप्लाई करके आर वी गेटिंग दिस. अगर तो ये आंसर हमें बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली यही मिल रहा है, इट मीन्स हमने फर्स्ट टू टर्म्स बिल्कुल सही लिखी हैं. ठीक है? अगर नहीं है तो आप अपनी कैलकुलेशन दोबारा से चेक करना. ये अगर आपने मल्टीप्लाई मेंटली चेक करना है, यू कैन डू दैट, अदरवाइज आप रफ में कर सकते हो. सो 3 2a होल स्क्वायर b. सो 3 2a होल स्क्वायर कैन बी रिटन एज 4a स्क्वायर इनटू b. सो 3 4s are 12. We have 12a square b. In the question it is 12a square b. Now let's multiply this. 3 2ab whole square. So that is 3 into 2a into b square. This is equals to 6ab square. Yes, we have 6ab square. It means our first two terms are correct. So a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square is equal to a minus b whole cube. Since exponent is 3, so we will write it 3 times. 2a minus b, 2a minus b and 2a minus b. Right? So did you observe we have used the identity to factorize, we have used the identity to expand, and we have used the identity to factorize. So evaluate we have done because we had just calculated 99 cube. This we have evaluated. Expand starting के जो क्वेश्चन से expand थे using the identity, और अब हमने क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 जो कर लिया वो हमने कर लिया फैक्टराइज. राइट, यही हम लोगों के आज के लर्निंग आउटकम्स थे. तो आपको इवेलुएट करना आ गया होगा, एक्सपैंड करना भी आ गया है और फैक्टराइज करना भी आ गया है. Now the time is for home assignment. Do all the examples from 16 to 24 of chapter polynomials. Example 16 to example 24. All these examples are based on cubic identities. Try to do these examples. These examples are given just before exercise 2.5 and after exercise 2.4. So do all these examples. This will help you to register the identity, and it will help you to be comfortable in using the identity. Thanks for watching.